Hi friends, how to multiply any number with 11. So we will check how to multiply any given number with 11. So let us take an example of 51263. So I'm going to multiply this with 11. So now what I'm going to do is, for example, see 51263. First what I will take is I'll multiply this with 10. So 10, simply I add 0, right? 512630. So remaining will be one more 51263. So I will add it to the this number. So 51263. When I add this one, 3, 9, 8, 3, 6, 5. So the answer is 563893. Okay, so the simple thing here is what I have did, I just taken 10 multiplied with the 10 and only one extra times 51263 will be added. Like that you can multiply any number with 11 very easily. Okay, so next we will check if it is given any other number. For example, if it is by number 13. So if the number is multiplied by 13, for example, if I take 43, how 43 will be multiplied with 13? So what I am going to do here is, like, I will take 4 is there, 3 is there. I'll just write it like this. 4 I'll multiply with 100. 4 I'll multiply with 100 plus I will take 3 as it is, then I will add 4 plus 3, then multiply with 10. So this will be the first notation. So what I did here is 4 I multiplied with 100, 4 times 100 plus 3 I have taken as it is, plus 4 plus 3 multiplied with 10. Then how much it comes? So this is around 400 plus 3 plus 7 times 10. So this is around 473. Then what you are going to do is, next 43 is, you multiply this with 2. So how much it comes? It is around 86. So now you add both. 473 plus 86, which is equal to 559. So like this you can take any other number which can be multiplied with 13. So let us take one more example, how we are going to multiply any number with 16. For example, you take a number that is 46. So 46 times 16, it means what? For example, 10. 46 times 10. Remaining is 5. 46 times 5, then 1. 46 times 1. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 1, so 16, right? So automatically you are adding 16 times. So 46 plus 10, how much? 460. 46 plus 5, how much? Half of 460, 230. Then 46. Then how much it comes? 6. 13. Then here it is 736. So like this we are going to solve it, multiplication of any number. For example, if I take like I'll take 23. So 23 times 16. So what I'm going to do, first one is 23 multiplied by 10, 23 multiplied by 5, 23 times 1. So 23 multiplied by 10 is 230, then it is 115, then this will be 2 3. So how much it comes? Around 8. 2 plus 1, 336, 368. So like this. So similar way, So let us find the square of 94. 94 times 94. So 94 first you subtract from 100. So 100 you will subtract from 94. How much it comes? Minus 6. Then you add this minus 6 to 94. So this will be around 88. So since it is 94, you add how many zeros you are going to add? So you are going to add two zeros. If it is 1000, you add three zeros. So two zeros you are going to add, and the remaining six you are going to multiply with 6 square. So minus 6 square is 36. So 8800 plus 36, which is equal to 8836, like this. So let us take another example. For example, if we have 104 times 104. So how much it comes? What I am going to do is 104 you subtract from 100, you will get 4. Then the next one is 104, you are adding 4. This will be 108. You are adding two zeros here. This you are making 4 square. This is 16. So here it comes 10816, like this. So I'm going to check with another number. The same example, 102 times 102. For example, if it is 102 minus 100, which is equal to 2, you will get. The next one is 100 plus 2, which is equal to, sorry, here 102 plus 2, which is 104. Adding two zeros here and making 2 square is equal to 4, and you add it here 104 and 04, like this. Hi friends, so here we are going to find out the easiest method to how to make a square of 1012. So how we are going to find it? It means 1012 times 1012. So what we are going to do is, so we are going to, like 1012, just subtract from 1000. How much you will get? 12. Then add that 12 to 1012. So you are going to get 1024. So you are going to get 1024 with this. So now what you are going to do is, since it is in the thousands, you add three zeros to this number. And what is remained here, 12, you make it 12 square is equal to 144, and you just add it here, that is 1024144. So like this you are going to find it a square root of the numbers, square of a number, in very easy manner. For example, you can just try it. Another number, 989. So if I subtract it from 1000, how much it comes? So this will be around minus 11. So now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to add it, minus 11 to 989. So 989 minus 11. So since it is negative, I'm just subtracting. Here it is positive, I'm just added. So how much it comes around? This will be around 978. So 978, you just put three zeros for 978, and other one is you just make square of this 121. So here what it will become, 978121. So like this you are going to find out squares of the numbers which are near to 1000. Thank you.